Okay, well, I got some progress done here, so I put on these heads with the pushrod tubes and the deflector plates underneath, and I put on Permatex Aviation all on here. I went ahead and torqued down the heads to about 20 foot-pounds. I then put on the tins here, and I had to bend this quite a bit in order to get the intake manifolds on there, which I have on there with a gasket and no sealant or Permatex or anything on there. I just put that on with a felt gasket, so hopefully that'll not have any air leaks. I torqued this down pretty good with the 12 millimeter. So then I have these are the custom manifolds that will fit the heads. There's the Tim's Stage 2 heads. Then what I did, so I put this tins on, and I had to bend this slightly, you can see, in order to get this to fit the 30 horsepower style. And there's a little gap here, but I think overall once that mounts down, it shouldn't be leaking that much air. I went ahead and put on the top shroud, and I torqued down the alternator strap here. So that's right here. Then I went ahead and I just put on a fan belt. This is a 905 fan belt here, and the tension is such that I can, I have about the 5/8. I said, be able to bend it about 5/8 of an inch. That looks good. I re-put in this flamethrower. I took out, so I have these two coils here, which are the I have these two coils here, which are the 0.32 ohm, and they just didn't work at all with my generator, and it seems like they run out of charge pretty quickly if you have low RPM. Shouldn't be a problem with the 90 amp alternator, but I just ordered a Bosch coil with the 3 ohms just to be consistent, and I'm going to use this flamethrower distributor with that rather than with the Pertronics. So then I have the other side. Again, I had to bend this just a little bit to get this to fit correctly, and it leaks probably here just a little bit. Other than that, I think so far the tins look pretty good. Interestingly, I brought down these lash caps that I have just to see, because I never have used lash caps before, but I was looking at this. The lash cap fits on here nicely, and the thing is obviously it has to be kind of clamped in there by the rocker arm. So that'll be next, is I have to do the measuring of the rocker arm geometry with my push rod measuring tool that I bought. I have my I've put in these spark plugs, but I have to tighten them down. This size spark plug has a different, it has a smaller sort of nut size there, and I need to go and get a spark plug socket that will fit this size spark plug. But other than that, that's pretty good progress in that I have the shroud on, these tins on, I have the intake manifolds on there. I need to go through my book and just see what has to be done. I said I took out that coil because I ordered a new Bosch coil that's going to come. The rest of this looks pretty good. In terms of lining up, I need to do a little bending, but okay.